Hey everyone! Want to try Minecraft but not ready to buy just yet? Good news! There's a free trial available for both the Bedrock and Java editions of the game. You can head over to Minecraft's official website where you'll find links to download the Bedrock edition, which works on Windows, PlayStation consoles, PS Vita, and Android devices. If you're more of a PC player and want the Java edition, there's a separate set of download links on the same page with instructions tailored for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. The free trial is the full Minecraft experience, no locked content or watered-down gameplay. However, there is a time limit once you start playing, usually around 90 to 100 minutes, or roughly 5 in-game days. It might seem short, but it's definitely enough to get a feel for the mechanics and decide if you want to jump into the full version. If you want something even more casual, check out Minecraft Classic, a free browser-based version released for the game's 10-year anniversary. It's basically the original Minecraft creative mode with just 32 blocks and all the original quirks. You can't save your builds, but it's a fun nostalgia trip, and you can play with up to 9 friends by sharing a simple link. You can try this classic version anytime at classic.minecraft.net. So whether you want the full trial or a quick throwback to Minecraft's roots, there's a free way to experience the magic before you buy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more,